In this session, we'll see another question on mean, median, and mode. Like we have already seen one basic question. So let's see this question for the grouped data. Find let's see let's say we have this number of intervals and we can clearly see the width will be 5. The frequency is also given as 5, 6, 15, 10, 5, 4, 2 and 2. Now the class is given, the frequency is given. What we can do is we can find the middle term, let's say xi. This is the middle value. So for 5 and 10, 5 plus 10 is 15 divided by 7.5 will give 7.5 as the middle term. Then 10, 15, 25, 25 by 2, this is 12.5. We can observe that the middle values are going to be increasing by 5. So we can directly write now this will be 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5 and 42.5. Now with this we can also find cumulative frequency. What is this? We'll keep on adding the previous values. So 5 at the beginning it will be 5 and then 6 which will be 11 and 15 which will become 26 and 10 will become 36 and 5 will become 41 and 4 45 47 and 49. We can also find, maybe it will be required, frequency fi into xi. This is the product of the interval with their frequency. So 5 into 7.5 and likewise 6 into 12.5 and so on. So the values are 5 into 7.5 will be 37.5, 6 and 12 75, 262.5, 10 22.5, 137.5, 130, 75 and 85. Right? Of course we are going to solve this, but before that let's see some of these which will require. Model class. Model class is the class which is having the highest frequency. You see that this is the model class. Why? The frequency for this is 15, which is highest among all. The next is median class. For median class, we'll have to see the sum of all frequencies, and this will be very easily reflected at the cumulative frequency. The last cumulative frequency gives the sum of all. So this is 49. So we are looking for a frequency interval which has the frequency 49 by 2. So approximately 25 or 24.5. This will be coming in this region. Why? because we want 50 or 49 by 5, which is 24.5. So 24.5 is between 11 and 26. So up to this interval 10 to 15, the frequency was 11. From 15 to 20, the interval is between 11 to 26. So this is going to carry 24.5. So again, the same class is going to be the median class. The same class is going to be median class, right? Now let's see what are the values we want to find. The first one is mean value. Like we have already said, it will be sum of fi xi divided by the overall frequency. And we have already found the values. I'm directly putting it: 37.5, 75, 262.5, 225, 137.5, 130, 75, and the last one was 85. The overall sum of frequency u is the cumulative frequency, which is 49. This value will be 20.969. The second one is median, and the formula was L plus n by 2 minus C into the width and divided by the frequency of the class. Let's not get confused. Let me write this: sum of frequency or sum of Fi. So we are not getting confused, right? Now, like we have already discussed, the median class is 15 to 20. It is 15 to 20. Why? Because the sum of all frequency was 49. So 49 by 2 was in this class 15 to 20. So the lower limit. Now what is L? L is the lower limit of the median class, and lower limit of median class is 15. So this value becomes 15 plus n. N is the total frequency. So we have it 49. The sum of, like we have found it in the previous part, this is n. So this is 49. So this is going to be 49 by 2 minus C is the cumulative frequency up to the preceding class. So if you see, up to the preceding class. So what is the preceding class? This 10, 15 is the preceding class, and up to the preceding class, what is the cumulative frequency? It is 11. So this is going to be 11 divided by the frequency of the median class. That is why we have chosen to be the model class. And width is very well known, which is 5, right? Width is, for any interval, you'll just subtract the lower limit from the higher limit, like 5 to 10. So 10 minus 5 will be 5. So 15 plus 49, and this final value will be 19.5. Of course, we can calculate this. The value for mod is L plus del 1 by del 1 plus del 2 times of H. Now, What is the model class? Model class is also same, that is 15 to 20 only, and of which the lower limit of the class containing the mode is 15 again. So this will be 15 plus del. Del 1 is the excess of model frequency over the preceding class. So if you see in the previous, the frequency of the model class is 15 and the preceding class is 6 and the following class is 10. So del 1 will be 15 minus 6, which is 9, and del 2 will be 15 minus 10, which is 5. So I'm directly writing it. Del 1 is equal to 9 by 9 plus 5, and the width is very well known, which is 5. This value will be 18.2. You'll find somewhere that they are solving it in using graph, that is histogram. Of course we can do it using histogram, but we'll be doing the same operation there also. So this is mean, median and mod. We have to take care of model class and the median class.